the last couple of weeks I've had some new products come in that people have asked us to evaluate. I've got a new holster, I've got some new lubricating cleaner for guns, but I'm getting a lot of questions in right now from customers about some trouble they're having with the Ultrasync Hub. And although they pulled this product out of North America, we still have a lot of customers using it. And so I'm gonna address a problem everyone's having really quickly, just so you have a quick fix, okay? And we'll get back to doing some of the evaluations. I mean, really, it's a pretty cool holster I got sent, and some of this lube is pretty cool stuff too. But it's important for those of you that are having problems with the Ultrasync Hub to know how to fix it pretty easily. So here's what you must have before you can address this problem. You're looking for a code, you need a code. The master dealer code is what you must have. And in most everyone's case, if it's not been changed or defaulted, it is 9713. Now, if your dealer did not give you the master code, you're okay with shutting that off back there. Just push the button, the power button on the left-hand side. If your dealer did not give you the master code, then you're going to have an issue getting into the system to stop the defaulting beeps. But if you, when you got your system, you made up your own master code, that's the 4-digit code you need to use. You may have set it to a 6-digit code, but most people leave it 4 digits. But the default master code is 9713. So if you have, I'm not going to plug this in and go through the whole thing to show you how to do it, but if you have this system giving you trouble beeps, and they're very obnoxious, it's like 4 beeps, boop, 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 few second break, boop, 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 boop. It drives you absolutely nuts. That's when you want to take out the hammer and smash the thing to pieces. Don't do that. This will get it fixed pretty easily. So all you do is, I'm just going to hold it here close so you can see it. You'll push 9713 and then you'll push enter. It will then give you a verbal status of the system. It will tell you what is wrong with the system and why you're getting trouble beeps. There's another way to stop this from happening so often. When you come home or you come into your business, at least once a week, manually disarm from the panel. For whatever reason, that seems to like fix the software glitch that's going on inside the panel. Now, this is something you will not be able to do without dealer help, this next thing that I'm going to tell you. But if you're having continual issues with this panel, you do need to get a dealer to register the panel, go in and push the last, at least one of the last 2 or 3 firmware updates. They stopped supporting this system in North America December 31st of 2019. But they have pushed out some firmware updates since then. You cannot get those firmware updates if you are not a dealer. So if you want someone or a company to fix that for you, we'll be glad to, but you need to email us. Please don't call. Please email us, sales@securityallstar.com. In that email, you need to put your serial number that's on the back of the machine. Matter of fact, I will show you where the serial number resides. There's a sticker on the back. Your serial number is right down here. You need to send us the serial number, your first name, your last name, your address where the system resides, and a phone number to reach you back at. Because we can, if we can log into the system remotely with the serial number, not really log in, if we can make sure the serial number is free, then we can help you by pushing updates. It's a one-time charge to do that from us, but it will give you the latest patches so you don't continually have these beeps bothering you all the time. Listen, please like and subscribe because you're going to have some continued issues with this Ultrasync Hub since there's no North American support. You can check us out at securityallstar.com. If you will, please like and subscribe below. And again, if you need help with this panel, just rewind, get those directions, sales@securityallstar.com. We'll be glad to see if we can help you with some firmware updates. And remember the magic code, 9713, enter to stop those beeps. Thanks for watching.